Okay, so, you know, I'm not too good at this, but we'll go with that. Another large sunfish. He's a fat one. So we're back at Norton Creek. As always, that's the easiest place for me to get to, and I'm still haven't fished the whole creek. You can hear wind in the background. We've had storms the last 2 days, thunderstorms. So the creek is up about an inch or two, and the water is muddy. Not necessarily muddier than it normally is, but I've seen it cleaner. Today I figure what we do is we got these Gulp Alive Minnows. What was it, a week or two ago? I'll link to the other video, and let's try fishing with those. Never used them, have no idea how they'll go. Yeah, let's give them a try. In our little tackle box here, we've got several different jig heads. These are the Panfish ones. Here, I'll open it. These are the Panfish ones, and then these are the two I purchased at Dick's in that video. The white ones are heavier, yellow ones are smaller, and then the Panfish ones from Trout Magnet are even smaller. So we intended to use the yellow ones for those, so I'm going to give those a try first, and if that's not working, I'll drop down to the Panfish. I don't think the white ones are going to be proper sized. I think they'll be too big, too heavy anyway. When something has a seal like this, that's never a good sign, so I wonder how bad this smells. I've never used them before. Don't leave this on the ground. Take it with you. Oh, it actually doesn't smell too bad. There's really no smell at all. Now let's see, I'm not sure, so I want it up like that. I imagine I want the gray one, the gray side up, so we want to hook it this way. All right, it's not exactly easy. Maybe these are too small for this jig head? That might be it. We'll give that a try anyway. Now, if you saw the video on the Fishing the Muskrat Highway, there's a deep channel right here where I've never really had success until that video, when I caught 4 or 5 small fish in there, chubs. I think there might have been a bluegill, but mainly chubs, but they were probably 2-3 feet deep. So I'm gonna do one more cast and then probably lengthen it up. Nothing. That's surprising. All right, let's go deeper. I risk more snags this way, but maybe we'll get better. Well, I was going to say better hits, but I've not gotten any. There we go. Oh, I missed it. I mean, right as it hit the water. I actually don't see any fish up here in the shallows, which I'm usually seeing 4 or 5 bluegill. They're all gone. Oh, come on. There we go. That's not encouraging. All right, let's go a little deeper, since I'm seeing nothing in the shallows. There we go. What did I hook? I've hooked some kind of weed. Come on. Oh no, it's a bluegill that got stuck in the weeds. Wow. All right. Oh no, a sunfish. There we go. I'll let him have it a little longer than normal. Oh, he's into the weeds again. Nice bluegill. Excellent. Stop. So a maybe 6 inches or so. Let's try over here a bit. Oh, oh, all right. I'm gonna have to adjust the drag. Nice bluegill. Another 7-incher probably. Nice. So I would certainly say the Gulp minnow works. Excellent. No, I had him. Coming through those weeds is horrible. All right. Another large sunfish. He's a fat one. Beautiful. We're at bottom. So I need to pull it up another inch or two to get up off the bottom. Back to where I was. Yeah, okay. Oh! Oh! He was chasing the mover. Another sunfish. A little smaller than the other two that we've caught recently. This Gulp minnow is doing fantastic for this creek. It might be up against the Panfish Magnet for most success. In one trip at least, this Gulp is doing the best. There's another one. Oh, you let go. Wow.